Hello, Tom.
Hello, Gracie. What are you doing?
I am painting. I have paper. I have paint.
Oh, painting. I like painting. Can I see?
Yes, of course. Look at my picture.
Wow. What is it?
This is a house, a small red house.
I see a red house. And what is this?
This is a tree. It is a big green tree.
A big green tree next to the small red house. I like it.
Thank you. And look here. This is the sun.
The sun. The sun is bright yellow. It is a happy sun.
Yes, a very happy sun. But my picture is not finished.
It is not finished. What is missing?
The sky is missing. The sky is white. I need to paint the sky.
The sky. Can I help, Gracie? Please, I want to paint.
Okay, Tom, you can help me. You can paint the sky.
Thank you. Thank you. What color is the sky?
The sky is blue. Here is the blue paint, and here is a brush for you.
Great. I have a brush. I have blue paint. I am painting the sky. Look.
Be careful, Tom. Oh,
What? I am painting a blue sky. Wait, what is that color?
Tom, you have green paint on your brush too.
Green paint? Oh no, blue paint and green paint. The sky is a funny color.
Yes, it is. It is a very funny color. I have never seen a green-blue sky.
I am so sorry, Gracie. I ruined your picture.
No, you did not ruin it. It is okay. Look,
Look where?
I have an idea. This is not a normal sky. This is a magic sky.
A magic sky? What is a magic sky?
A magic sky has magic clouds. I will add some white clouds and some yellow birds.
Wow! A magic sky with white clouds and yellow birds. That is a wonderful idea.
Yes, now our picture is very special. It has a red house, a green tree, and a magic sky.
Our picture is the best. Thank you, Gracie.
Thank you for your help, Tom. You made a magic sky.
I did. Painting is fun with you.